What's the meaning of Cape Verdean? Cape Verdean. Cape Verdean.
Cape Verdean. Cape Verdean. Cape Verdean refers to someone or something that is related to the country of Cape Verde, which is an island nation located off the coast of West Africa. The term is most commonly used to describe people who are from Cape Verde or have Cape Verdean ancestry. Cape Verdean culture is a blend of African, European, and South American influences, and the country is known for its music, dance, and cuisine. The population of Cape Verde is predominantly of mixed African and European descent, with Portuguese being the official language.